Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to see you all here again. Like, seriously. Every time that ticker goes off and another view happens, like, I light up a little bit. So today, I was thinking we could do Tails because Tails is kind of a Luigi to Sonic and we need Tails in our lives for all those little brothers and sisters. Okay, so this time around I'm going to show you how to do the quick version, and then we're going to add on some extra details just for those, just in case you want to improve it. If you have extra time at the party or at the restaurant, it'll just give it that little bit extra. Alright, so for the quick version, we're going to use 5 balloons. The one that takes a little bit longer is only 6 balloons, really. So we're going to start with a white, 260, and we have about 3 fingers at the end. Now to start, we're going to start with pinch twist. This one's going to be about 4 fingers. Sorry, not a pinch twist, a flower petal, a 4-finger flower petal. And then we're going to do another flower petal, but it's going to be smaller. It's going to be more like a pinch twist, so it's only going to be like a 2-finger one. Now we're going to do about 4-finger bubble. So this is going to be his front nose, and then this is going to be the back. It's just there to sort of hold everything in place. So we're going to do a 4-finger bubble now, and then we're going to do a 3-finger bubble. And then we're going to wrap those together back into the face. Now this is going to be like his whiskers. They kind of come out and down and back up. So we're going to do the same thing. 4-finger bubble, 3-finger bubble. Alright. So now, I'm just going to position these so the whiskers, they come up and down, and then we have the nose. And we're going to do another 4-finger bubble and come back down with a 4-finger bubble. Now this is getting a little tight, but that's okay, because we want it nice and sturdy. So just like this, these are going to be his eyes. Now we're going to use goldenrod because Tails is like a yellowy orange. It's like perfect goldenrod color. Now we have about 4 fingers at the end of this one. So we're going to wrap this in to his face. We're going to come up his eyes, and we're going to push this through his eyes, just like a bird body. Now here we're going to do 2 flower petals. This is going to be his ears. So we want them to be about 4 fingers long. One, another one that's about 4 fingers long. Okay, and then at this point, I like to do pinch twist. Just keep everything in place. Put that behind his ears. Now here, because he's got hair that comes down like this in the front, I'm going to do another 4-finger bubble and then a 2-finger bubble, almost 2.5. We're going to come back to those ears. So it's a lot like the cheeks that we did. So, at this point we should have his 2 ears and then his little wispy hair coming down. And we're going to take this here and bring it back down. Great, so we're going to bring it down all the way beside this, like beside the first one that came down. Now we won't need much more of this. We're going to go back up one more time so we can get rid of this. And then just let the air out until we have like a little bit of 4-finger bubble there. And we're going to bring that up right directly to the middle of his eyes. Now what you can do while you do that is you can let out a little bit of air and it'll make it thinner so it looks more like a 160, which is perfect. Alright, now I'm just going to reposition everything, put his whiskers in place, his eyes, his nose. Perfect. Now we're going to take the other 260, and again, we got about 4 fingers at the end. And just like my regular body that we're doing, we're going to do 2 pinch twists, 4 finger bubble, 2 pinch twists, and then a 4 finger bubble, and then a 4 finger bubble, and come back up. Tie that in so it doesn't go anywhere. 4 finger bubble, and then we're going to do a 4 finger bubble here, and then 2 pinch twists. Just like that. Then we have our little body here. This way. Oh, we want that way. Okay. Now, for tails, we're going to use the rest of the way here. So we're going to do a little bubble for his neck. And then we're going to wrap those into those 2 pinch twists in the middle. And then we can get rid of this. But we're going to leave a little 4 finger bubble for his belly. Now just make sure that you lock this in by pushing it through his back, wrapping it around, pushing it through his belly. Just so it doesn't go anywhere on you. Okay, perfect. Alright, so if you want to sort of keep it quick, don't do the pinch twist here. So for this part we're going to do 2 pinch twists for the long version. If you're doing the short version, don't do the pinch twist, you'll be fine. We're going to do about a 6 finger bubble and then 2 pinch twists here. These 2 pinch twists you need no matter what version you're doing, but the 2 on the end you don't. Okay. We're going to take this and we're going to wrap it just below his belly like a belt. And we're going to take this and wrap it around those 2 middle pinch twists. And then we're going to do a 6 finger bubble. And again, just get rid of this if you're doing the short version. But if you're doing the longer version, 2 pinch twists. Perfect. Now these are going to be his tails. He has 2 tails. It looks like 3 when he flies, but it's just 2. You just curve those up a bit. Just like that. So, if you're doing the quick version, artwork, and you're done. Now for the longer version, we're going to take a white, wrap it into his tail, and we're going to do a little flower petal, and this is about 3 fingers. Remove that. And then we're going to take it into the other tail, another 3 finger flower petal. And then we're going to put it in his hand, because he's got little white hands. And we're going to do another 3 finger flower petal. Alright, we're getting a little risky now. Other hand, and a 3 flower petal. 3 finger flower petal. Perfect. So now our little tails has 2 little hands and little white tips on his tail. Now the last one, okay, so for the quick version, I guess it's 3 balloons. 1 white, 2 goldenrod. And then for the longer one, it's 2 white, wait, was that right? Yeah. 2 white, 2 goldenrod, and, 2 white, 3 goldenrod, and a red for the longer one. So we're gonna do 2 pinch twists on the red. These are going to be shoes. So we're gonna take one end of the one pinch twist, and we're gonna push it through his little leg. Now for Sonic, if you want to use these hands on him as well, and these shoes, it's perfect. Then we're going to do a 4-finger flower petal on one side, and then a 4-finger flower petal on the other side. And then you can get rid of this. That's all we need. Then we have tails. All you need now is your work. Now for Tails, he's got a bit of a triangle nose, just like that. And then we have one eye, just like that. And on the other side, just like that. Hold on. Perfect. And this is how you make Tails. He's like the perfect companion for Sonic. I hope you guys like this one, and I hope he goes a long way for you in your business. So thanks for watching.